This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
I'm here with Adam from O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business since 1981 that provides a variety of residential and commercial expert services, not limited to heating and air conditioning, plumbing and drain cleaning, electrical, indoor air quality solutions, and duct and dryer vent cleaning. Adam, please tell us more about the importance of dryer vent cleaning and how this service can potentially save lives.
Sure, thanks for having me. Over time, lint can build up in the dryer vent, and that is a major fire hazard. In fact, the United States Fire Administration reports that thousands of fires each year are caused by dirty dryer vents. So having them professionally cleaned regularly ensures the home is safer and that it's more energy efficient.
And how often should someone have their dryer vent cleaned?
Good question. We recommend once a year. It may require more often for larger households or pet owners, maybe 6 to 9 months. But for smaller households, about once a year.
And what sets O'Brien Service Company apart from others who do the same service?
Sure, we are locally owned and operated. We have professional, highly trained technicians using top quality equipment. We clean the entire dryer vent system. We start at the dryer and go to the roof or exterior wall. And that ensures that the home is safer, and we also offer before and after photos to show the homeowner a tangible difference.
How can someone sign up?
It's super easy. We have a couple options. You can call us at 910-799-6611 or go to the website at o'brienservice.com and schedule your free estimate.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.